Hi, Teresa McGallagher here again today to talk to you about some tips and techniques for combating anxiety and stress during the coronavirus lockdown quarantine period. Today I thought I would talk a little bit about breath work. Breathing is life. If you're not breathing, you're not alive. So our breath is very important, and it's really interesting because breathing is one of the few body systems that is both automatic and works whether we are conscious of it working or not, but can also be controlled by us. So we can sort of intervene into the natural breathing process to speed up the breath, slow the breath down, and even hold the breath. When I was younger, when I was in my 20s, and I suddenly became aware of the fact that I had this monkey mind, constant thought process going on, I created a little mantra for myself, a little affirmation that I used to say to help me calm myself down. And it went like this: breathe in peace, breathe out anxiety. Breathe in peace, breathe out anxiety. And I would say that to myself while I was consciously aware of my breathing. Hi, Jones. Nice to see you. And you can use this mantra in any way that you like. You can copy it, or you can change the words up to whatever resonates with you. So, for example, you could say to yourself, breathe in love, breathe out worries. Now, a lot of yogic practices focus on breath work, and in Sanskrit this is called pranayama. Often in my yoga class, our instructor will have us do some deep breathing exercises during meditation, and the meditation will be on the breath to see how long can we inhale, how long can we wait before we need to exhale, how long does the exhale take, and then how long can we wait before we feel the need to inhale again. And you can count in your head while you're doing this. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever number you want to work with. And you will find that this practice also helps you to, when you slow down the breath, to calm your nerves, to make you feel more relaxed and less anxious. Finally, there's a very interesting type of yogic breathing that's called alternate nostril breathing, nadi shodhana. The nadis are the energy centers in the body, and shodhana is purification. So this type of alternate nostril breathing helps to purify the energy centers in the body. And the way this is practiced is by folding down 2 fingers, these 2 fingers, leaving up the thumb and the ring finger, and then using these fingers to close the nostrils alternately while inhaling and exhaling. So you would close one side and inhale the other side, then exhale, and then close the other side, inhale, exhale. And that would be considered 1 round of alternate nostril breathing. It's recommended that you do 3 rounds in a row to start, and then the next day you could do 4 rounds in a row, the following day 5 rounds, and so on, until you can get to be able to do this for 5 minutes at a time. And this type of breathing will result in better focus, better mental clarity, because it balances the communication between the right side and the left side of the brain. It also soothes your nerves. It will give you better sleep at night, and it helps to regulate the body temperature. So I hope that these breathing techniques that I've shared with you today are useful. As always, take what works for you and leave the rest. But if you are interested in incorporating them into your spiritual practice, I'd love to hear about the results. Feel free to leave me a comment on my Facebook page or to message me, and have a lovely evening. Namaste.